During this lesson, we will be studying the parts of speech introducing pronouns. Examples of pronouns are she, her, hers, when we're referring to a girl, they, them, theirs, when referring to a group or more than one, he, him, his, referring to a male. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. And we must remember that a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. We're going to work through some examples of the use of pronouns. And then we will look at the answer key so you can see your understanding of pronouns. Our first sentence, Emma and Christian played outside for hours. Emma and Christian, that's more than one. Based on the answers options, we have he, she, they. So when they came inside, they were exhausted. Question 2, Cassidy likes to watch cartoons. Cassidy is our noun. So the answer choices are it, she, them. Enjoys laughing at the characters. She enjoys laughing at the characters. Question 3, the boys and girls sang the school song as blank parents smiled with joy. Boys and girls, that's more than one. So our options are their, them, they. Their is a possessive pronoun. Their parents. 4, EJ wanted to play video games, but she, they, he was too tired. EJ is a male, so he was too tired. Number 5, the yellow school bus, the bus is the noun, had a flat tire. Our options are he, she, it. Had to be towed away. A bus is not a he or a she, so it had to be towed away. Now let's check our answer key to see if we got all the got all the answers correct. And based on the answer key, we did. Here is a picture of pronouns. I, the little pencil that looks like a girl, more than one, we, they, you, referring to another person. Pronouns stand in for nouns. We're going to play a game in the class. The materials or the things that you will need are a cell phone, an iPad, a Kindle, a tablet, any type of digital device. We're going to log in to a website called Kahooted. And as a class, we will be asked or given sentences, and you will need to answer as quickly as possible the correct answer. And again, this will be a lesson on pronouns. The study tool that you can use to create is a poster, and you can fill it in with the pronouns that we've gone over, and you will use this study tool to help you learn to use pronouns in writing and in conversation. And of course, to do that, you will need to know what a pronoun is. And I've provided some examples, and this will conclude Mrs. Dean's second grade lesson on pronouns. Here are the questions that the students will use in answering, I'm sorry, not questions, these are the sentences that we will use as we play the game as a class. So what we would do is go through each question, and the students will attempt to answer as quickly as possible using their mobile device. And they will use their mobile device to click one of these symbols to answer with the correct pronoun in each sentence that's provided. In question 1 asks, a pronoun takes the place of. The correct answer, of course, is a noun. And here are the answers. And there are a total of 12 questions in this game. And I am showing the questions with the correct answer. And again, we would do this as a class, and the class would log into the Kahoot website, and I will provide them a code to enter in, and everyone will be able to participate in the game. And this is an example of the Kahoot for pronouns that is created, and the students would log in using their devices, and then they would enter this code, and